So I received this AG1 package in the post a few days ago, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this. Okay, so it's got this: welcome to the Essentialist Nutrition movement. Let's see what this says. Oh gosh, there you go. So it says, take on an empty stomach before breakfast. Daily multivitamin, multimineral, live cultures for gut health, immune system support, and more. 250 to 350 ml of water, and 1 scoop, and then you shake or stir for 20 seconds. Okay, let's see. So in here we've got this thing. We'll look at it later. Let's take out the contents. So we've got this, I guess it's a tin box. That's good. Let's take it out. We've got this shaker. This is plastic, not good. Should have been glass. And this scoop is also metal, so that's good. So we've got this pouch. This is meant to be a 30-day supply. Let's see if it's back. So we've got all that information. It's fine. Refrigerate after opening. Oh, quite a few carbs in here. It's got vitamin A, C, E, B1, B2, niacin, B6, folic acid, B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, phosphorus, zinc, selenium, copper, chromium, potassium, and I cannot pronounce those. Ingredients. Okay, so that's the 30-day supply. And then this is, I believe this is the same thing, but in travel packs. So I think this has 5 little pouches. So every pouch is 1 scoop. And then there's this. Vitamin D3 and K2. Okay. So you're supposed to take like 1 drop of this daily. So you could potentially just add it in your scoop. Right. Okay. Let's get rid of this. And let's see. So let's open this. This is how it looks from the inside. I think I'm gonna wash this before I put the powder in because it stinks. Let's see the vitamin D3. It's a dropper. That's good. Shake it. And that's it. I'm gonna try to make one. Well, let's smell this bottle first. need to wash that as well. Okay, so I washed it and I've added the needed amount of water in it. I'm going to start off with putting the D3 and K2, I think it is. So we'll add 1 drop of that. And I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this. So this is how it looks. And smells. There's another scoop in here. Oh, the plastic one. Really don't like plastic. I'm gonna get rid of it for now. Okay. I'm not sure what that smells like. It smells kind of like vanilla. I don't know. So we've got 1 scoop. That should be, I guess, that's 1 scoop. And we're gonna add it in here. And get rid of this package as well. So let's close it. Close in a bit. Okay, let's see how easy it is to mix this. So this is how it looks right now. I'd say pretty easy to mix. Hopefully the powder doesn't like sink down whilst we're drinking. But let's do a taste test. It smells very sweet. Oh, I feel like it has like a bubblegum powdery taste. It's not bad, but it's not good either. But I'm gonna try this for 30 days and see what happens.